This is my first time ever running any type of printing press, and Domino makes it easy.
Scott Fisher, president of the Smythe Companies. Smythe has been in business since 1877. It's a fourth-generation family business. We have 7 locations with a little over 450 employees. We're a major player in the industry. We're in the top 10 of the converters that exist today. We focus around pressure sensitive, cut and stack, digital, and then a small portion of our business also with commercial. Green Bay was really born from attacking markets that Smythe currently did not play in, that mid-market, and primarily around digital. And that really was the drive behind the Green Bay location. And having access to a high percent of our vendor base within a 25-50 mile radius, we're really not concerned or focused on what the large competitors are doing around us. As a matter of fact, they're watching us a heck of a lot closer than we're watching them. Well, digital for us is not new. But I think with the advancements that we're seeing today in the digital technology, it caused us to take a step back and really assess, do we want to continue to move forward with the same technology, or is it time to branch out and look for ways to help expand the market? And we really set out, a group of us, and visited 5, 6 different manufacturers. And in the end, arrived at the decision with Domino and their technology. It met a very specific need for us.
When we originally started out the vetting process, it was very important to us to come up with repeatability. So one of the things we did is we created a test file and we sent that out to all the major manufacturers. And what we found is Domino provided consistent results on all of our tests.
So when we look at the 2 different platforms that we have, there's a distinct advantage that Domino offers over our current technology. Probably greater than 40–50% of our sales is done with clear materials, so white was really important to us. So the Domino technology certainly gave us a competitive advantage over some of the existing technology.
We have technologies at Smythe that will allow us to print white, but not to the same degree that our inkjet technology can. The other thing is the speed to market. We've turned jobs for customers literally in this same day.
Our customers are looking for a lot of material options, opaque whites, color consistency. They know digital is out there. They know that they can shorten their lead times. They're looking to order differently than they have in the past.
It's a delicate balance with the array of technologies that we offer at Smythe between Flexo, especially in digital. The technology of digital will allow us to do things that we can't do flexigraphically.
For example, we had 5 jobs to set up on the Domino. We can set them up back to back and push start and let it go. Where on the Flexo side, you can only run up 1 label at a time for each individual copy, which takes 5 times longer than it would take here.
So I think when you talk about benchmarking the technology, because of the history that we have, being in the digital space for over 15 years, it was very easy for us to compare the data, arrive at the savings, and really have a strong understanding of the cost of ownership. What's the consumable cost? So it really was a fairly easy decision for us in the end when it came to what's the right and what's the best technology for our organization. When we talk about growth of the organization, we anticipate having 3 to 4, maybe 5 of these machines. We're here to stay in Green Bay. We think the digital technology is creating a lot of opportunities for us and is driving a lot of excitement. And we look forward to a very strong relationship, not only in Green Bay, but with Domino.
As a 30-year veteran in Flexo, I would like to say, thanks, Domino.
Thanks, Domino. Thanks, Domino, for making my job a lot easier.
So on behalf of the Smythe organization and myself, thanks, Domino.